Today I'm going to show you a super powerful homemade remedy to combat toenail fungus. This formula is simple and can easily be made at home using cheap and easy-to-find ingredients. It's important to emphasize that each of these ingredients has proven effectiveness against nail fungus, but together they are much more effective against the fungus. Now let's move on to this super formula to finally get rid of toenail fungus once and for all. Ingredients: apple vinegar, baking soda, cloves, alcohol, cotton swabs, a container with a lid. Preparation: remember, if you're wearing nail polish, remove all of it before applying our mixture. First, add 2 tablespoons of alcohol to the container. Now, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Next, add the cloves. About 10 will be enough. Stir the mixture well. Now, add 2 teaspoons of apple vinegar and mix again. It's normal for foam to form in the mixture due to the chemical reactions. Let the mixture sit for 10 to 12 hours and it's ready to use. Remember to keep the container covered between the uses. How to use correctly. The use is simple but needs attention. You'll dip the cotton swab in the mixture and then apply it to the entire area of the toenail. But be careful. It's important to apply it to the surrounding nails as well to make sure the fungus doesn't spread. Also, don't reuse the same cotton swab for different nails. You should use a new cotton swab for each nail to avoid transferring the fungus from one nail to another. Apply this 2 to 3 times a day. This amount of mixture should last for 2 to 3 days. Then make the recipe again to continue the treatment. The full treatment should last 15 to 30 days or until the fungus disappears completely. This treatment can be very helpful in fighting toenail fungus, but it's important to note that in severe or persistent cases, something more specific may be needed. I'll leave a link in the video description for you to check out PRONAIL Complex, a product specifically for treating toenail fungus. This product has several scientific studies proving its effectiveness, even in more severe cases. So I recommend it if home treatments don't work, or if you want something quicker and easier. Now let's get back to our homemade remedy. Why do we use each ingredient? Alcohol. Alcohol has antiseptic and antifungal properties. It helps disinfect the affected area by removing microorganisms that may be present on the toenail's surface. Additionally, alcohol can help dry out the affected area, making it harder for the fungus to thrive in the humid environment it needs. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Studies suggest that eugenol may be effective in fighting fungi by inhibiting their growth and helping to reduce the infection. Baking soda. Baking soda is a compound with mild antifungal and antimicrobial properties. It helps balance the skin's pH, creating an environment less favorable for fungal growth. In addition, baking soda has exfoliating effects which can help remove dead skin and nail cells, aiding the antifungal treatment. Apple vinegar. Apple vinegar has antifungal properties due to the presence of acetic acid. The acidic pH of the vinegar helps create an environment hostile to fungi, making it harder for them to grow. Acetic acid also helps clean the affected area and promotes healing. Now that you have everything you need to combat toenail fungus, give this video a like and share your story in the comments. If you want more information on how to prevent toenail fungus, I'll leave the link to that video in the description, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our videos. Until next time, nail fungus no more.